So when a customer tells you your prices are too high, here's a common mistake salespeople make. They say the word, no, our prices are not higher. The moment you say the word no, the customer shuts down and they think, yes, I've seen this price cheaper online, somewhere else, and now they're not listening. Do you want to know how to fix it? Listen up. So what do? If you don't say the word no, you should say the word yes. Here's the great sentence to use. Yes, our prices are higher than those companies that do not give you. Do not make the mistake by saying, yes, our prices are higher because we give you. We do not want to add value, we want to show a loss aversion. So you want to say, yes, our prices are higher than those companies that do not give you a free delivery, that do not give you this extra functionality. Yes, our prices are higher than those companies that do not give you a 5-year manufacturing warranty. You do not want to say, yes, our prices are higher because we give you a 5-year manufacturing warranty. Yes, our prices are higher because we give you free delivery. Do not say it as an add-on. What we've seen in motivation is that people are far more responsive to a loss aversion. Think about it when people say, book your tickets for this next concert, right? It's going to be great. Then people don't really act. But when they say, you need to hurry, there's only about 50 tickets left for this concert, then everybody's saying, whoa, I don't want to miss out. You see, it's that FOMO, fear of missing out, of a loss aversion. So if we see people in motivation, is people are actually trying to move away from pain. That's why we want to use the sentence, yes, our prices are higher than those companies that do not give you. You're going to see pain, a loss. So try this technique the next time people tell you, hey, your prices are so much higher. Say, yes, our prices are higher than those companies that do not give you this functionality, a free delivery, all this great benefits, right? So my name is Trevor Ambrose. Follow us on our website at trevorambrose.com for more free videos. And also you can follow us on our social media platforms.